Hi, hello to everyone. This is Anupama. Okay, previous videos we have seen some of the topics from sets. Okay, now this is basic operations on sets. That is, say for example, if you take numbers, you will have the arithmetic operators, right? Arithmetic operators like plus, minus, divided by, into. These are the arithmetic operators we have. In the same way, for sets, operators for sets. Okay, first one is union. We call this as union. This is like addition. That is adding two sets. Okay, so for example, let us take A is equals to 2, 5, 6, 8 and B equal to 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 1. Okay, and let us represent this also in Venn diagram form also. Okay, so take a rectangle box and in that draw the set. See, if you observe the elements, first observe the elements of both A and B. 2, 5, 6, 8. Here 5, 7, 9, 1. One common element is there. So if you take A and B, this is A, this is B. Why I overlapped these two? Because here one common element is there in both. Okay, common element is there in both. So A union B can be written as 2. Here you have in this one 5, in this one way, but we have to write only 1 5. 5 comma 7 comma 6 comma 7, 8, 9 and 1. Okay, this is A union B, adding two sets. If any common element is there in both, you have to write, no need to write two times, you have to write only one time. Okay, so forget this diagram for some time. So one more thing, if you take, let me take one more example. A is equals to A E I O U vowels and B is equals to A I U. Okay. Then if you observe the elements, draw the Venn diagram. For this it will be understood easily. This is A, which is having all the vowels, and A I U. Here in A you have A I U. This is B, which is subset. So in B what you will write? A I U. Now in A what you will write? Already we have written A I U in the set B. So except A I U, you have to write in A E comma E and O. This is the representation for these two. So A union B means what you will get? A, here you have A in both sets. You have to write only one. Okay, comma E I O U. So if you observe, what is this ma? If B is subset, proper subset of A, then A union B is equals to A. Okay, this is about union. Union is nothing but arithmetic operation plus, like arithmetic operation plus. Okay, next one is intersection of sets. Okay, intersection is nothing but common elements in the sets, given sets. Example, if I took A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. If you observe the elements, what are the common elements here? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So, whatever the space here you got for both, this space is common space for both A and B. Common space for both A and B, right? Okay, here we wrote the common numbers in both the sets. So what we have to write here, whatever the elements which are not common, means the remaining elements which are not common in both the sets, we write here and here. So what we have with the not common, 2 is not there in B, 4 is not there in B. So those are the remaining elements in A. Next, coming to B, what are the, here all the 3 in 4, 3 elements are in common. So whatever the element left here, that we write here in set B. Okay, this common space is known as common intersection. Common space for both A and so called as intersection. And so called as intersection. Okay. Understood about intersection? Okay. Next, third one is disjoint sets. Means no common elements at all in both sets. No common elements at all in the given sets. So for example, if you take A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Like this I took two sets. Now how to represent this disjoint sets in Venn diagram? Again draw the universal set that is mu. Now if you observe both the elements in A and B, are there any common? No. Just draw both circles separately. This is A and this is B. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is B have? A, B, C, D, E and F. Like this we represent the disjoint sets. Disjoint sets are sets which are not having any common elements in it in the given sets. And how to represent that? This is the representation of the disjoint sets. Okay. This is enough for this video. Okay. The remaining topics let us see in other video. Thank you. And once again, uh, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Deep Maths.